In primetime news this evening, renewed COVID panic. Health Minister urges calm amid St. James call center outbreak. Not my baby. Dispute between Hanover Hospital and mother of deceased child deepens. And later, COVID and PEP. Education Ministry to outline grade 6 assessment procedure in online school era. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But first, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what steps do you think the government should consider given online schooling issues for the next sitting of the primary exit profile PEP examinations?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.